Hello people, welcome back to the playlist of Amazon Leadership Principle interviews. Complete answers as well as ideal replies are prepared as a part of a playlist and are there in the description. You can check it out. Let's move on to the next Amazon Leadership Principle, that is talking about insisting on highest standards. Please try to understand what is the idea behind the questions as well as the concept behind this leadership principle. It's because Amazon focuses on extremely high standards of quality and services and processes while it's dealing with its customers, vendors, as well as internally. So some of the questions that are asked in this regard are talking about a hypothetical scenario, or maybe a scenario in your life previously where maybe a team member did not meet expectations, maybe you could not meet your own expectations. How have you been able to raise the bar and go beyond expectations? Have you been able to motivate people in your team and reach a goal? Or have you been able to actually move up the bar, move up the notch? Let's try to see what are the key things that you're supposed to identify in this kind of questions and how you should answer it. First and foremost, try to understand that when you are answering these questions, please to try to give them a real life example from your internship, from your college as well as projects. But how would you like to shape it is something very important. First point I want to tell you is that try to keep it realistic, because a lot of people try to, in order to appear smart, try to make this question or this situation actually manipulate the complete idea of raising the bar. Try to tell them an honest story from your projects as an internship, which is talking about change in the goalpost. What I mean by change in goalpost is that whenever you've seen that the targets are getting much easier, you have set them up, you have moved ahead. It's very important that you indicate what are the tools that you have used to raise the bar and as well as motivate your team. Try to tell as examples of making people realize how important their work is while you are motivating them for a goal. It's very important that you try to show that each and every member is important. Also try to actually indicate to the interviewer about how you have been able to overcome the gap of expectations that you keep for yourself. A lot of people have too high expectations, or some of them have too low. The idea behind this question is to try to indicate to them that you realize your challenges and you can work upon it as a target. If you like this video, then please do check out the description link where you have a playlist of all such questions answered. Thank you so much and bye bye.